Hello everyone, welcome back to this video series. In our previous episode we have designed a menu page, so in this video let's design this gallery page. And you need to open the menu page so that we can copy few sections, the layout from this page, and here for example this breadcrumb or title section, copy here, paste it here. Okay, then you can also copy this section, paste it here. Okay, and between these two sections let's insert the gallery, one column section with padding about 150 to the top, 150 to the bottom. Okay, for the gallery the same, here we have few gallery widgets. Let's try one by one. First is this basic gallery. Let's select few images from our media library. Three. Okay, only the drawback is that there is no machinery layout, so different yeah, it is okay if we upload images of the equal size, but if you upload different image sizes, is you can see here layout is not so let's try and this gallery widget. I think this one is from okay, add item, duplicate, 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 duplicate. Okay, and like this, and default item 3. Okay, for this hover title you can change it here. and even you can directly link this gallery image to the product. Here you can link this to product, for example chow mein. Here you can link this to this mixed chow mein product, just like that. Yeah, is this not just a simple gallery? I think this is a very good widget, better than the Elementor native widget for the gallery. And you can also choose custom layout for each image. For example, you can choose half, one half, or one fourth. Okay, yeah. And you can also use filter by using adding category here, for example dinner. And if I enable this filter option here, you'll see, yeah. Here, dinner. Okay, if I click on dinner, it will display those. It is just like portfolio portfolio widget. It is, yeah, combination of gallery and portfolio. It can be used for a gallery or for portfolio display. And yeah, you have to add the image one by one and design it. And if you want to insert the images in one go, Elementor native widget is your option. Okay, let's try another one, the last one. This is, I think, Elementor Pro widget. Here you can insert your media. Yeah, for the layout it is better than the basic layout. Here we have option justified machinery slash choose justified. If you want if you want to have equal size images, or yeah, yeah. I think it looks even better than the last two widgets. This is Elementor Pro, and if you do not have Elementor Pro, then you have to use this above two widgets. And it does not mean that you cannot design a beautiful layout like this Pro widget. You just need to work a little harder to tweak the layout. The best option is you crop the images before you upload. Crop the images with the same ratio, same size, so that you do not have to work hard on this widget to achieve uniform layout. Okay, and here this is for single for gallery, and if you want to have portfolio like gallery with a different gallery or categories, then you can choose this multiple, and you can give it name, for example dinner, then add another one. Passport. Okay, I think yeah, it is good. If you have Elementor Pro, my suggestion or my recommendation is this Pro gallery widget, and if you have free, then use these two widgets, one of the two. And once again, before you upload the images, make sure you edit it, crop it with the same image ratio size, and preferably in the WebP format. Upload the image in WebP format. Optimize for the user experience and for your user in interface. Okay, so let's delete these two widgets. Now it looks good. Update this. Okay, that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something new, especially for those WordPress beginners. And I hope by watching this video series step by step from the beginning to end, you learn how to design your own website, WordPress website, or food delivery website. Okay, stay tuned for the next episode. Bye bye.